Okay, now we are cutting the garlic with the balisong, and then after that we're gonna cut the lemongrass and the onion. You see our superstar here.
Jangan kan boy.
Nukmulit kan. Nukmulit kan ano mua. Cuman siya. Okay, and then our chef now cut the onion. Look here, this is the lemongrass. We can see the quality if we just pick inside. How do I focus here? Yeah, it's not focusing. This camera is pretty crappy. Okay, now we cut back to the balisong and its ability to cut. Look at that, that was a clean cut. You see? You see, even a weapon is effective in the kitchenware, as opposed to just a kitchen knife. You can't kill anyone with it unless you're a serial killer. You see here? Now that's some quality lemongrass. Let's just zoom on that. I can't see shit. Okay. Now.
Teka mau balik ano ya? Apa nih? Buang nih dipotong saja kak ataupun biar potong terus tuh.
Okay. Our chef has finished asking questions and he has already gotten his answer himself. Okay, now he is proceeding to cut the onion. I forgot what that onion's name, but it is an onion. It goes into the stomach and it is very delicious. Okay, look closely to the balisong's ability to cut. Stop shifting around your hand so I can see how you can cut it. Okay, see how he peels it? Very clean, very smooth, and very dirty on the balisong. It is not very good to do this often. See, even the chef has just realized that and he has regret everything that he did. Wow, that is very good, very nice, very smooth. Okay, chef, are we just going to cut only one garlic? Chef?
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
And that's the answer. See you guys next time on Key Chef.